Suki Suki Nakami Dito. Suki. Palagi Nakami Nagstay Dito, Kumbega Suki Nakami Dito. Kasi Malapit Lang at Saka Salit Yong Banabayad at Malinistin, Sasusuno naman stay Kami Dito Ulit. Happy very nice hotel for the money, clean room, beds, bath, very helpful staff, good town location, just minutes from everything, 2 thumbs up. Exceptional, highly recommended. Lovely. Location, very convenient, near the airport, port and restaurants. Find it neat and serene. Exceptional, the place is accessible to anywhere in the city. Transportation is just easy and the location is easy to find. Easy access, good location. Near port and restaurant, and terminal station. Exceptional hotel is so good. Front desk is so accommodating. Kudos to everybody. Exceptional, good hotel. TV and Wi-Fi are a bit confusing to operate. Exceptional, it's the cheapest hotel in town, very accessible and it's near in the heart of the city. Exceptional, comfortable room. Stayed for 2 nights. We had a seminar so we stayed for 2 nights. It was worth it, walking around the city because the hotel is just around the city, can walk in the market and park. Wi-Fi is only limited to 1 device so had a hard time at first but receptionist helped us anyway so still good place, thank you. January 17th to 18th, 2025 near the port and has elevator. Staffs are very accommodating and kind also, smiley face emoji. Great stay, had a GT stay at the hotel. Staffs were very accommodating and responsive. Place location was great. Will definitely recommend. Exceptional, very good. We will go back there. Had a comfortable stay. My friends and I have a wonderful stay, the place is clean and location is good. I think Pearl, the staff is very accommodating as we ask if we can leave our luggages the other day. Exceptional, nice hotel and great staff.